Frontier Airlines at Denver, Colorado. It's going, and going, going, and going. Oh, it's still going, it's still going. Still going. Got a long way. Going, 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 and going. Still going. Just the end of the line. It's going. And going. And going. And going. And it goes down there. Goes down there. Loops around. Loops around way down there. Still going. It's not the end yet. See, where's the zoom? Still going. Still going. Frontier Airlines. Frontier to check in for domestic. Here's another piece of the line. Still going. Not at the front yet. Still going and going. And going. Still going. Still going. Here, and still gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Hey, over here. And here you are. About maybe 3 hours, 2 hours.